over 3 million views. Oh! Oh no! Oh! What the frick? Oh my gosh! Did you see that, guys? The grill just came in. Alright, let's play this game.
Tornado has been spotted in the northwest part of the county. Several residents
Oh no.
seeing
A tornado's coming our way. Oh, frick. Actually, you know what? This is a nice house.
Of county line and west of the Pine River are
What is going on?
basement or tornado shelter.
This is over 3 million views. Oh! Oh no! We just lost power. Or just our TV, I suppose. Oh, nope, we lost our power. Damn, we have a pretty nice house. I don't know why we're not moving our biscuits out of here like we probably should. But I guess if we don't want... Oh! 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 What the frick? Oh my gosh! Did you see that, guys? The grill just came in. Oh! Oh my gosh! That tornado sounds terrifying. Oh! What the frick? What the frick? What the frick? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No! 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 Oh my god. Look at what happened to our house.